There you go.
Cake.
Oh. Ooh.
She's like, what is that?
I guess I'll eat it.
Ooh, yeah, she's trying it.
Oh,
What you got?
a whole handful.
Is that yummy?
Oh boy.
I get stuck in my fingers.
Yeah, that's crossing some funny stuff.
It's like, I gotta touch it first.
Yeah.
Oh, she's mushing it good, Grandpa.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
Yay! It all falls
that's a
right out of her
funny
mouth.
Is she not sure?
Oh my gosh.
She is now.
Are you watching?
I got a sugar rush already.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh.
Baby.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Don't you drop that, lady.
Oh, look. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. What is that? What is that? What is that, Phoebe? Oh,
I
oh.
think she's getting too much in her mouth. Is it
that
those
yummy?
sprinkles?
Is that yummy? Yeah, but you got more, Grandma. Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff, Phoebe?
Look at a little
That's good stuff, huh?
Look, give me a glass
Yes.
of milk.
Yeah,
It's hard to
huh?
You
swallow
want
this.
milk? Oh. The sprinkles too big for you to
I think she's just putting too much in her mouth.
in
at
and,
one
and
time.
at once. Oh boy. Oh
I
boy.
think she
Oh
likes the
dear.
feeling
Uh-oh.
of the
Yeah, there goes in the chair. Is that good? Oh no! No, Phoebe.
Don't you
Oh, so you
No.
can't do anything on your birthday.
Mmm.
You want to drink a milk?
I would
You wanna
break like
drink?
One of the spring snares like that. Trying to
You
get
wanna drink?
some
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Take a bite. Eat it. Eat it.
Man, makes me want a cupcake.
Oh my gosh.
Phoebe, no. Do you want to do that? You want another drink of milk?
Oh, that's fine. Oh, you mean this?
Oh, this right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, oh. Is that good?
Funny.
That's good stuff, huh? Looks like you have a little beard.
cake
You
beard?
should see her arms, Mom. It's all up to her elbows.
I love how she's just doing this with her hand.
Hey, look. See?
No, that's right.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't sit like that for very long. You okay?
You gotta eat it, lady.
Eat it. There, you go. There you go. So much
Cake.
She didn't even get in her hair or anything.
I know. She's very good about that.
I wouldn't
Take
say
bites,
anything.
lady.
Yeah. you better
See,
not
look,
be
look,
too
look. Phoebes.
She's looking at her hand.
Bites.
She's looking at her hand.
Mm.
She likes. I love the
I
way
know
her
she's
fingers
feeling
just
the
keep going.
fingers and.
No,
No.
Phoebe, Phoebe. Don't you drop it.
No.
No, don't drop it. Eat. There you go. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. There you go.
Do you want another drink, babe?
Good girl.
Yeah, she's got a milk mustache.
I know.
Chocolate cake beard and a milk mustache.
Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Of course, I just put the camera down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I have the whole thing.
Are you videotaping it?
I videoed a lot of it. And
What was that funny like?
I think she's gagging on the
Yeah,
cake.
probably.
Yeah.
It's okay, it happens.
That's probably enough.
Oh.
Cake.
She's like, oh no.
Kid, you are funny. Oh my gosh. You are so silly.
You're gonna be so hyper.
You staying at grandma's tonight too?
Nope. Not a chance in hell.
What, Grandma?
I'm gonna be a heathen. She's like, it almost looks like it's painting her to eat it. Wanna try for another drink?
I want to get a picture of that cake face. Baby girl.
Hey, Phoebes.
Hi, Buggles. Hi, Phoebe. Cake? Cake?
Baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey-ya.
Hiya. More cake. More fingers. Oh, boy.
Baby, I just go nom
Nom, nom, nom.
nom nom nom.
Oh, my gosh.
So much cake. So much cake.
What is that, Daisy? Is that the sugar rush?
Yeah.
Might be.
She's like,
It's coming in layers.
It's coming in waves.
Such a little weirdo, Phoebe.
She looks like she has a beard in my video.
No,
Hey,
Phoebe.
no dropping
Phoebe.
it. Phoebe,
No.
Ann.
I think she's
Don't drop
done.
it.
No.
Okay,
Phoebe.
okay.
Oh,
We'll take a
God.
drink and we'll go.
Mm.